Holi, the festival of colors, is not just about playful splashes and joyous celebrations. Behind this vibrant festivity lies a deep-rooted history of mythological triumphs, seasonal transitions, and spiritual rejuvenation. His son, Prahlad, a staunch devotee of Vishnu, refused to obey. Welcome to an exploration of the legends and cultural significance of Holika Dahan and Holi. The story of Holika Dahan is rooted in ancient Hindu mythology, revolving around the demon king Hiranyakashyap, who forbade the worship of Lord Vishnu. His son Prahlad, a staunch devotee of Vishnu, refused to obey. Enraged, the king sought help from his sister, Holika, who possessed a boon rendering her immune to fire. Holika tricked Prahlad into sitting on a burning pyre with her, but divine intervention saved Prahlad, and Holika was reduced to ashes. This act is commemorated as Holika Dahan, symbolizing the victory of devotion and righteousness over arrogance and evil. But Hiranyakashyap's tyranny did not end there. Having acquired a boon that made him invincible under certain conditions, he felt invulnerable. However, Vishnu incarnated as Narasimha, half man, half lion, and at dusk on the palace doorstep, he tore Hiranyakashyap apart using his claws, fulfilling the prophecy. This legend further reinforces the significance of Holika Dahan as a festival that upholds the cosmic order and punishes arrogance. Holi is not just about mythological tales. Historians believe it evolved from ancient agrarian festivals celebrating seasonal transitions. In the Atharva Veda, references to Holak link Holi to Vasantotsava, an ancient spring festival. The festival also holds a romantic association with Krishna and Radha, as it is believed that Krishna playfully smeared Radha with colors, giving birth to the tradition of Holi celebrations in Vrindavan and Mathura. Holi also has ties to the legend of Kamadeva, the Hindu god of love. After the loss of Sati, Lord Shiva went into deep meditation. To restore balance, the god sent Kamadeva to awaken him with an arrow of love. Enraged, Shiva opened his third eye and reduced Kamadeva to ashes. Moved by the grief of Rati, Kamadeva's consort, Shiva later granted him an incorporeal form. Thus, Holi is also celebrated as a festival of love and rejuvenation. The festival of Holi is incomplete without its vibrant colors, each representing an element of life. Red symbolizes love and fertility, blue represents Krishna's divine essence, yellow signifies auspiciousness and turmeric's healing properties, while green denotes renewal and nature's bounty. The tradition of applying colors stems from Krishna's legendary frolics with Radha and the gopis, making Holi a festival of unity and joy. Beyond mythology and tradition, Holi plays a vital role in breaking social barriers. It is one of the few festivals where distinctions of caste, gender, and hierarchy dissolve, bringing people together in a shared celebration of life. In rural India, Holi fosters community bonding, while in urban settings, it blends tradition with contemporary revelry, making it a festival of inclusivity. While Holi is a festival of joy, modern celebrations raise concerns about environmental damage and ethical considerations. The excessive use of water, chemical-laden colors, and impact on street animals call for a more responsible approach. Many communities are now shifting towards eco-friendly celebrations by using organic colors, conserving water, and promoting sustainable festivities. Holi, like many Indian festivals, has evolved over centuries, yet its core essence remains intact. It is a festival of renewal, devotion, inclusivity, and seasonal change. Whether celebrated for its mythological roots, its agrarian significance, or as a joyous community event, Holi continues to inspire and unite people across generations. This year, as we immerse ourselves in colors and celebrations, let's also reflect on the values it embodies: positivity, inclusivity, and sustainability. Happy Holi! Thank you for watching. May your Holi be filled with happiness, love, and the true spirit of the festival.